Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into one of my absolute favorite makeup products, the cream highlighter. If you've been chasing that perfect lit from within glow that looks like your skin, but better, then you are in the right place. We're going to talk about why cream highlighter is a game changer and how it has evolved to become the secret weapon for a truly seamless, natural finish. So let's take a little trip back in time. The concept of highlighting isn't new at all. Artists during the Renaissance used a technique called chiaroscuro, playing with light and shadow to create dimension and shape on a flat canvas. Fast forward to the golden age of Hollywood, and movie stars were using clever lighting and even Vaseline on their cheekbones to catch the light and look ethereal on screen. It was all about sculpting the face and drawing attention to its best features. For decades, though, the go-to highlighter for most of us was a powder. Powder highlighters are fantastic, don't get me wrong. They can give you a blinding, almost metallic sheen that's perfect for a full glam look. But sometimes they can sit on top of the skin, emphasizing texture like fine lines or pores, and can look a little well, like makeup. It wasn't always the best fit for every face type, especially those with dry or mature skin, where powder can sometimes look cakey. This is where the magic of cream highlighter comes in. The beauty industry started shifting towards a more skin-first philosophy. The goal became enhancing what you have, not just covering it up. Cream and liquid formulas started gaining massive popularity because their texture is so different. Instead of sitting on top of your foundation, a cream highlighter melts into it, becoming one with your skin. This is the key to making your makeup truly fit your face. Think about it. Our skin isn't matte and flat. It has a natural luminosity and texture. A cream highlighter mimics that natural duet. When you apply it to the high points of your face, the tops of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, your brow bone, and your Cupid's bow, it catches the light in the most subtle, believable way. The formula is just so forgiving. For those with dry skin, the emollient properties of a cream can add a boost of hydration and a healthy sheen, rather than clinging to dry patches. For mature skin, it glides over texture instead of settling into it, giving a youthful plumpness to the skin. And for oily skin types, modern cream formulas are lightweight and long-lasting. They don't feel heavy or greasy. You can even set them with a tiny bit of translucent powder if you're worried about longevity. What I love most is the versatility. You can apply it with your fingers for the most natural, melted-in look. The warmth of your skin helps the product blend seamlessly. You can also use a damp beauty sponge to gently tap it on, or a stippling brush for a more diffused, airbrushed effect. You can wear it under your foundation for a subtle, "I woke up like this" glow, or you can layer it on top for more impact. You can even mix a little bit into your foundation or moisturizer for an Oliver radiance. It's all about customizing the glow to your unique face shape and skin type. You're not just placing a stripe of shimmer on your cheek. You're creating dimension that looks like it's coming from your own healthy, happy skin. It's the difference between looking like you re-wearing great highlighter and looking like you just have great skin. It truly helps your makeup look less like a mask and more like a second skin, perfectly tailored to you. So, if you haven't given cream highlighters a try yet, I highly encourage you to explore them. They have completely transformed my makeup routine and how I think about creating a radiant complexion. That's all for today's deep dive. I hope you found this helpful and feel inspired to play with some cream highlighters. Let me know in the comments what your favorite cream products are. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.